Hello friends, today we will see how to give a transparent background to any object in a picture. Being a graphic designer, it's a very necessary, easy and a basic thing to learn, but believe me, it's a very important one to make a perfect transparent background as it will be used in different things in your designing career. My name is Bilal Amjad and you are watching this video on www.bilalamjad.pw. So let's begin. Just create a blank uh, uh, Photoshop document, and then what you have to do is just to import an image in your workspace. Actually, this area, the white one on my screen, which is actually this area, this is your workspace. You can draw anything within it but not outside it, so we will call it a workspace. So just import an object in your Photoshop, and we will do this by selecting an image and importing it to our workspace. Let me select an image. Okay, for example, this one. Iron Man. Wow, I'm using his picture to demonstrate my tutorial. Let's drop it. Okay, now I have just imported an image in my workspace and I have removed the unwanted layer from my Photoshop. Now we'll see how we will give it a transparent background. Now we have to select a selection tool to select our object. The selection tool is available here. You have to just right click on selection tool, and okay, we have two tools here, magic wand tool and the quick selection tool. Actually, magic wand tool works on the basis of color pattern. It will select all the material which have same color properties, and it will select only those, like this. If I click here, it will select this area because it has same color according to Photoshop, but I don't need this. For a perfect selection, you have to use the quick selection tool. Okay, in quick selection tool we have three controls. The one is this one, which means that you are going to create a new entry point, new selection point, and this sign means that you are going to add some certain area in your selection. You are selecting something to add it in your selection, and the very third, it will subtract that area from your selection. We will see how we will use it. So let's begin. I have used this one to select my area. Then I am selecting my area like this. Just move, click on any part of the object and just start drawing the desired area like this. A very perfect one. Actually, one thing, that there are different ways to select your object and give it a transparent background. There are different ways. This is my technique. It might possible the graphic designer, the other graphic designer have some different technique, and it might possible that he have a better technique than me. So these things are learned by experience. Okay, I have selected my object, but you see that I have selected the object, but there are some I have selected the unwanted area too. For example, when I have selected the area, it has selected this one too, which is the part of background, and I don't want this area too. So for that, what I will do, I will now use subtract from the selection, and I will just start subtracting this area which I don't want in my picture, like this. It's very now some of the part of his finger is also unselected. I will select it again like this. Okay, somehow we have selected our object. Okay, alright. Now okay, one thing, that you can change the brush size, the size of your selection by this size option. You can increase or decrease the hardness of your brush, you can increase or decrease the spacing. These are different options available too. I always used to select a size of minimum because it select the object more appropriately. So I have selected my object. Now the next thing, I will separate this from, I will copy this in a different layer, like this. Here you can see that it has copied the object in a different layer here. Okay, now in this example you can see that I have the original layer also available, but I don't need this, so I'm going to remove it to get the transparent background. And for this I'm going to just going here and delete this. The other option to delete it is available here. Just click this icon and it will delete, and you can see that we have created a we have removed the background of our object. But to give more appropriate result, to bring more appropriate result, you can use the eraser also to define. Just zoom on some certain points where your this tool was not working. Just select your eraser, just resize it and remove that area like this. Now you can select see the corners, this one, yes, I have to fix it too, so I will just remove some extended area of his fingers also, just like this. So this was how we can create the transparent background. For more videos you can log on to my personal website www.bilalamjad.pw. Thank you very much.